So they're telling us we're this is a normal distribution somewhere in this problem. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to try to make a normal curve and see what it looks like. See if it's one of these nice numbers. So let's see the mean. Let's see. They're normal with a mean of 1012 and a standard deviation of 213. So if I go up 3 and down 3, I'll be able to fill in the nice 68, 95, 99.7 rule numbers. And I'm still going to stop and do that with a calculator. So what I did is I added the standard deviation of 213 to the mean, then I added 213 again, added 213 again, and going down I subtracted. Now I'm looking to look and see what they want. So they're telling me to find what percent of college-bound seniors had scored less than 820. Well, unfortunately, 820 falls right about there. Not one of the nice deep numbers, and we want less than, so I want the tail area to the left. So this is going to require that I use a z-scores or standard scores and table B. So to calculate the z-score or the standard score, I'm going to take that 820, which is what the number we were looking for. I'm going to subtract that mean of 1012, and then we're going to divide that by the 213 standard deviation. So that's going to give me in the numerator negative 192 over 213. Now I do the division. And I'm getting a z-score, standard score of about negative 0.9. Because table B isn't any more specific than that one decimal point, that's where I'm going to stop at. So now I'm going to go take a look at table B. I'm here at table B. Now what you're going to notice about table B is that all these percentiles, are to the left. If they're asking you to the right, then you're going to do some subtraction from 100. But since we are looking for what percent of SAT seniors earn less than 820, we're going to go down our standard score till we find the negative 0.9, and then we're going to go over, and I'm seeing that 18.41%. So the correct answer to that is 18.41%. So that's the percentile that if they scored 820, that they were falling at. Pretty low. So I hope that helps when you're doing these kind of problems. You need to do z-scores in table B. I'm going to ask you how to do this on the next exam.